are going to love this video, so please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel so that Mr. P can let you know when new uploads are published.
Hi and welcome. I am Jessica, and this video is about Mr. P's Monster Giveaway, which is a WordPress success package. If you are considering a website or a blog, or if you have a WordPress website or blog, this giveaway is for you. The giveaway includes a complete 10-part step-by-step WordPress tutorial for beginners. The most comprehensive WordPress course is finally here. This course is an easy total blueprint for creating your profitable and high-converting WordPress site. Your website is one of your most powerful online assets. Here's what you'll discover in this course. You'll learn what WordPress is and why it's the best platform for building your website. You'll know all about the things you need to have in order before you can get your WordPress website up and running. You'll find out just how easy it is to install WordPress with just a single click. You'll discover how to choose the best theme for your WordPress site to make sure it matches what you have to offer to your audience. You'll know the most important plugins you need to install on your WordPress website to further extend its functionality. You'll see just how easy it is to optimize your WordPress website for SEO, or search engine optimization. You'll uncover different techniques to protect your website against modern-day hackers and bots. You'll know the important legal pages and disclaimers you need to add to your website. You'll discover how to set up product-specific pages and create easy-to-follow navigation for your website visitors. You'll learn how to build your email list on your WordPress website, as well as collect payments from your customers, and more. Your free WordPress success course is separated into the following 10 sections for ease of learning. Guide 1, Introduction to Using WordPress. Guide 2, How to lay the proper groundwork before diving in. Guide 3, Simple WordPress installation in a few clicks. Guide 4, How to match your WordPress theme to your offer. Guide 5, Website enhancing plugins to install. Guide 6, WordPress on-site optimization. Guide 7, Securing your WordPress site against modern-day hackers. Guide 8, Keeping up to date with legal pages and disclaimers. Guide 9, How to set up product-specific pages and navigation. Guide 10, How to start collecting payments and build a buyer's list. Follow the step-by-step strategies detailed in the course, and you'll be on your way to creating your first website using the WordPress platform. There is still more in Mr. P's Monster Giveaway. Also included is a checklist to help you to make sure you cover every important detail. Your Monster Giveaway includes a resource cheat sheet which is priceless. You will find a list of sites that you can use for more training to help you with some of the awesome plugins that will make your website amazing, along with access to WordPress Beginner, which is a WordPress community, and some of the most popular and most helpful WordPress books and videos and podcasts. Your Monster Giveaway also includes a mind map. There is also a helpful surprise bonus, which is 10 of the best quotes ever. The quotes are in image form and text. You can use them on your site as well as social media sites for generating free traffic. If you need a free WordPress site, AltaVista provides superb free WordPress hosting, comparable to or better than paid hosting with virtually no limits. That is altavista.org. Mr. P's giveaway comes with no strings attached, and no email is required. The URL for Monster Giveaway is https://ggpierce.com/zip/monster.zip. That URL address again is https://ggpierce.com/zip/monster.zip. The Monster Giveaway packs a lot of value. I am sure you will love it, so be sure to share it. Thank you.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and consider joining the channel so that we can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching, and much success!